Hi everyone, my name is Tatiana and this is the Makers HQ. All right, so today we are going to do a very simple and quick tutorial. This is elastic and it's polyester elastic, okay? You also have like cotton blends, but this is specifically why we decided to use it is because it's specifically good for sublimation. So we did a test. Angel, who is filming right now, was very intent on doing something on elastic. And what he said was, he saw a video, he thought it was amazing. And we started to think, what could you use elastic for? And like, okay, so other than just making something and putting it inside of pants, for instance, you could do, you know, like when they do boxers and they have it on the outside, that's one thing that you could do. You could do like lingerie for dancers. They like that to have like pieces of elastic as part of their costumes. You could also do it for kids' costumes. So it has like, it's elastic at the end of the day. So it has a lot of uses, all right? So we're gonna do the quick tutorial to show you. It's very simple. Since this is 100% polyester, you don't really have to coat it with anything. The nice thing about it is that we did this test and it stretches. Right? So you still have the words, you would still have the designs. We use words, but you can do any design that you want because if you think about it, it's just polyester and like it's easy to be printed on, right? So we're going to do, this is a 4 centimeter, which is about, I would say like 1 inch something.
Yes.
Yeah, almost like 1.5
yes,
or more.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're going to, we've coated the machine just with a piece of cardboard or of craft paper, but I'm looking at it now and it has a design on it from one of the last tests that we're gonna do, that we did. So I'm gonna just keep it away from that test, put it at the bottom of the machine, or yeah, put it at the bottom of the machine. Okay, so around here, and we have a design. So we have this one, which we cut out, approximately the same size of the elastic. So if you see it here, and I'm gonna give it about like almost 2 fingers away, 1.5 finger away, just approximate.
Remember that we also have the space for the next one.
Yes.
Is it gonna fit?
Yes, so we have this much left.
Yeah, that's long.
For the next one.
Oh,
we're doing one.
Nice.
Since we did one with just black and white, we wanted to see how colors would come out, right? So I did this design here and it's here. I'm just trying to line it up as much as possible as a test. I cut a little bit, we made it a little bit bigger for it to have a bleed. And then just using some of your tape, so this is heat resistant tape. You're gonna just tape it down, make sure that everything is okay. It's like this, and I need the Teflon sheet. Now, off the top of my head, I don't remember the equivalent in Fahrenheit, but we're gonna put it on the screen. In Celsius, it's 190 degrees Celsius, and we're doing it for how many
70
seconds?
seconds.
70
and
seconds.
190, it should be like 385, 380.
Okay. Yeah, 200 is well, exactly.
So it's about like almost, almost 200. So it's 280 something.
Okay, so let's test it and see you in a sec. Okay, I forgot to mention that it's medium pressure. So now we're going to do the reveal and see. Okay, the sheet is off and we're gonna do a hot peel. Ooh, this is very hot.
It looks it. Ooh,
and look,
so nice.
So I moved it a little bit, but it came out very beautiful. So I'm very happy with the result.
The colors.
Yeah, the color is very bright. It's perfect.
Imagine
actually.
you buy a roll of elastic and you just do the whole roll with
That's
your own
it.
design.
And also in our case, we did a bleed, but we did a very small bleed. So maybe I would go with the bleed.
Extra.
Yeah.
So it covers the whole.
Exactly. And so you can make sure that it's perfect. And you have like, if you do 0.25, 0.25, you're good. You cover your machine, you're good. And this is the result. So now we're going to do the yellow one. And it's going to be the same process. This is very successful. So we're going to put 2 fingers, make sure that it is in the middle here. So 2 fingers here. So like Angel said, imagine you do a whole roll of this. I mean, you could do some custom pieces for clients. You could do your own elastic.
Yeah, for decoration purposes.
Exactly.
I see this like putting them on, attaching them to, let's say, a handbag.
Yeah, as trimmings,
Yeah, your brand or anything, the messages you want to say.
That's it.
That would be awesome.
And it's super simple and super fast.
Or
and
wrap something. Like you have a bike, some people wrap the bikes.
Yeah, that's true.
With
your
own
materials,
designs.
artists wrap their materials with elastic
with plastic,
too.
That would be elastic, that would be awesome.
Okay, and the Teflon sheet.
Yes.
And then we'll be right back in 1 sec.
So again, it's 190 degrees Celsius, 385 Fahrenheit, and 70 seconds.
Yes.
Very simple, very short and fast.
So, how does it look with the yellow? We already know it's gonna look great. So let's just see. Ooh. And doing a hot peel. I think you could technically let it rest a little bit, but it comes off so well.
So nice.
Yeah, this is really amazing.
This is awesome.
This is really awesome. So here's the result. Okay, so you have, it's a little hot. So I'm gonna go from the other side. So we have the white, which we did as a test before we did the video. We have the red, which we just did right now. And I'm not going to stretch the yellow because it's still hot, but we have the yellow. And this is what they look like next to each other. Very cool, very awesome. Angel suggested we do suspenders.
Yeah.
So that could be one thing that somebody does. And we're not gonna sit here and act like this doesn't look like off-white with the yellow and the black, because we already know it does, but I mean, it looks super cool. And all of these designs, we did really graphic designs. We did like, you know, simple lines. So nothing like, you know, pictures. But again, like I said, for sure, I know you could do it. It's 100% poly and it's looking great. So I hope you try it. Please let us know in the comments if you try it, if it's something that you would try. And thank you for watching. All right, so we'll see you next time.